there's not one way of being. You are Taranaki Iwi, and why is that? Because of our whakapapa, and that's enough. So for me, it was just really demystifying those self-thoughts. Am I good enough? Am I Taranaki Iwi enough, or am I Māori enough? You know, it's really, for me, is that you are, because it's our whakapapa that grounds us and connects us, and that's enough.
Ray really helped us think about it in a different way of engaging through our tamariki, bringing our parents into spaces that were safe spaces to meet, and not really talk at them about what we're doing, but to just engage and talk to them and see how they can reconnect back home. And that's developed a whole lot of other real Ray creative isms, I call them.
It's Raymond, so he's got that bubbly personality. He's got his own style, and he brings that to everything that he does.
Looking at the past 3 years and where the space of the engagement and communications has come, I'm really proud of where we've got to at this present point of time. And I'm really proud that our whānau are feeling a part of that they see themselves in it.
Our merchandise, for example, you know, again, he's looked at it in a real creative space. I struggled with different coloured t-shirts there for a while and all those sorts of things, but our people have really, you know, they've felt valued, and they've felt that there's a connection that they want to be a part of, rather than us sort of, you know, trying to drag them back into their iwitanga. It's a nice, gentle sort of introduction back into our space.
For me, reflecting on the journey, because it has been my own personal journey as well, with my mahi at Te Kāhui, and what I'm really proud of is I'm really proud of how that growth that we've done has been a collective growth. So my connections and engagements that I've created in my mahi will forever be a part of my life now.
He's raised the bar for this organisation, but I think he's raised the bar and set a new benchmark for the way that both sort of entities engage with their people.
We're transforming the space, and not to be afraid of it, and actually just to be proud of who you are and whatever that looks like for you. And so for me, it's just, yeah, be bold, be brave, and be who we were supposed to be.